channel shout out. In 30 seconds or less, we're going to talk about somebody's channel. My buddy over at A10 Fishing. Wapaya. Here we go. Ha! All right. At A10 Fishing, you can see a dude with a really tiny beard. You can see him driving a perfectly good vehicle into a pond. Also, they take little dangly things and throw them in the water. That's kind of cool. He checks the inside of a fish's mouth to make sure everything looks right. And he even catches them using nothing but a net. He's crazy! That might work. Alright guys, well, that took a little bit longer than 30 seconds. But I really want y'all to go over there, check this dude out. Awesome guy. He came over to my shop, he hung out with me today. He knows a lot about fishing, a lot more than me. But yeah, if you go and check him out, I don't think you'll regret it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, do all those things. I think you'll enjoy what he's got to offer. And he's a super cool dude, so you can't go wrong. Yep, that's pretty much it. You have a good night. Bye. Link in the description. My buddy over at A10 Fishing. Wapaya.